Hello, this is Lawrence Larry Bland. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Lawrence, or I answer to Larry Bland. I've got about 30 years experience, a little over 30 years experience in the credit repair and real estate industries. And I've literally looked at thousands of credit and reviewed credit repair or credit files. So what I'm here for is to introduce to you what I've been working on for the better part of a couple of years is introducing to you the Credit Builders Bundle Pack. What's involved in the Credit Builders Bundle Pack, and I promise to be brief, is 450 plus credit dispute letters. You've also got a traditional that we've used a credit repair and education course, and also a more advanced factual disputing credit repair course. It also included a ChatGPT training course that's specifically designed for credit repair specialists. That's just alone is a $450 value that I've sold it for before. And also the dispute letters. These are letters that are used by the professionals. And when I say professionals, these are letters that are used by people that do this for a living. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. There are no guarantees. If anybody tells you, oh, I can guarantee to fix your credit report, run for the hills. Okay. Basically, all they're trying to do is get in your pocket. What you're going to learn here is what professionals do. You're going to have all the tools you need. You don't need to buy anything else. There aren't any upsells. There's no back-end offers or anything like that. Like I say, you get 450 credit plus credit repair dispute letters. These are the same letters used by the professionals. And you've also got the advanced factual disputing credit repair course. These are online courses and also a traditional and also the ChatGPT training course for credit repair professionals. Basically, that trains you how to use ChatGPT or any AI for that matter in your credit repair business. But if you don't have a business, you can still use it for your own personal credit. As you see right here, it's got a one-time price. You can choose a professional and you can spend 99, 39, 59, $159 a month for 2 months, 3 months. I've seen people go as long as a year, that monthly expense. But you right here, you can do $99 one time. And I'm trying to make it easy for you guys. If you don't have 99, I've got a payment plan. You can go as low as $39 a month for 6 months, or excuse me, $24.95 for 6 months. And unlike other programs, it's not drip to you. You get access to everything in the program, no matter which one you choose. The best option, least expensive overall, is the $99 option. But if you don't have that, I understand. You can go with the $24.99 or the $59 option, whichever one suits the best. If you've got any questions, feel free to contact me. I'm very reachable. You can catch me on Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype. I pretty much use most of the major apps. If you need questions, you can email me. The main thing is to get started. So just click on the link below and I'll talk to you later. I look forward to working with you.